What's up guys, it's Victor. Today we're going to be doing the lower control arm and subframe install. We got that all right here. I'll show the control arms first. So we got the control arms right here. And here we have the subframe brace, also from Truhart. And yeah. I'm gonna lift it up on this lift right now and then start taking the rear end apart. Probably won't start on that until tomorrow. Right now it's about 10:48, so we'll start on that tomorrow. Just start prepping everything right now. Alright, the car's up in the air. We already took the rear wheels off. Got them right here. Okay, we'll pull out the flashlight. Here's the rear control arms I was telling about, the K2 and Truhart coilovers. And yeah, here's the wheels. So I think it should be pretty straightforward. A couple bolts, and then I'm not sure what else. We're probably gonna have to watch a YouTube video on this, so this is not a tutorial video at all. So yeah, we'll be doing that right now, or probably tomorrow morning. Yeah, I think I'm probably just gonna call it a quits for tonight, then just continue tomorrow. Alright, I'll see you guys. Alright guys, it's the next day, kinda later, 7 o'clock. And so, it should be pretty easy, just 3 bolts and then bolts up the subframe brace. Looks like it's just somewhere around here. Looks like it's just 14 mils, which we have right here. And yeah, we're gonna start bolting it. I pulled out a few of the suspension pieces. I have one of the arms over here, the brace over here, the other arm somewhere inside the car. But yeah, we're gonna start pulling on those, and yeah. Alright, so switch to the other side to get them all loose, because I think I started stripping a bolt over there and I'm a bit out of breath, but I got all of these loose except for that one over this one over here. But on the other side, I got that one on the other side off. I got all these 3 loose. Obviously these are gonna be loose, but I'm gonna just do this side first. I'll worry about the other side later. Cause damn, I'm out of breath. So yeah, we're gonna finish this side. Alright, so we got the driver's side out. You can see how crusty it is. Here we got the light. See how bad the bushings are. And we have the new ones right here, all fresh. So yeah, we're gonna start putting that side on now. We're probably mess with the other side real quick, and then now we're coming back over here. I'm not wasting no time on this side at least. Alright guys, we're back. So I couldn't find a bolt. I thought I had an extra one laying around. So I went to O'Reilly's, and I have a set coming in tomorrow at 10 a.m. As I either go to O'Reilly's or wake up early and drive 30 minutes to the junkyard. So I said I'd rather just wake up early, drive real close by, and just get a whole new set, because I'm not gonna lay on the floor, struggle taking off a bolt over there too, that I'm probably gonna fuck up as well. So I'll just order a brand new set. Alright guys, we're back. So I did not record anything, but it took 3 dumbasses to take a bolt off. We ended up cutting the whole bolt off. It was all seized up in there. You can see how it is. It got like all welded up in there. I'm not sure. Oh, here's the other piece. But yeah, I pretty much have the control arms pretty much on. I have it on the other side. I had the other side on last night. So I just need to button everything on, put the brace on, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, And I have new hardware somewhere over here. I picked it up this morning from O'Reilly's. So yeah, that came in clutch. And then on the part where it was we were struggling, where is it? I'm not sure where it's at, but it broke the tack welded part right there where you thread it onto, but luckily the new hardware came with nuts, so we just tightened it up with that, so that helps for future stuff if I ever have to take them off or if I upgrade them, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything back on, tighten everything, start putting the brace on. First watch a YouTube video on that. Yeah, it's a 3-day project. Alright guys, so I put the arms on. Let me see if you guys can see it. Arms are on. I didn't put the brace on. It was, the hardware wasn't bolting up to it. I think they're too small, so I'm just gonna run it without it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the car out. Here's the truck, guys. Here's the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the car out right now, take it on a quick test drive. So for right now, I'm gonna just give you guys a quick cold start. Yeah, I forgot to press record, but the car's all started up. There's the FR ratings. So I'm gonna need a fresh alignment soon. Or ASAP actually. Here's my motor I'm building. The B20B. We got some PLM headers. Scope 2 intake, 70mm throttle body, level 7 oil catch can adapter. So we won't have to put welds right here for bonds. A hybrid racing fuel rail, and then fuel gauge thing. I have some 550cc injectors as well. Since I'm planning on getting boosted, they're from Blocks Racing. That's all for right now that I can think of. And then we have those are garage right here, that eBay special. We have the valve cover powder coat on a nice gray, machine Honda motor coat, Downstar valve cover bolts, just to make it look a bit more prettier. That's pretty much it on the motor. It's not really anything crazy. I'm not going boosted anytime soon. I'm gonna swap it in NA. But yeah, I'm gonna pull the car out real quick. Alright, the car's outside now. We're gonna take it on a quick test drive. You guys can know that little clip where I stalled. Yeah. See if you can see the arms right here. You can see them a bit. But yeah, we're gonna take it on a quick test drive, and yeah. Yeah, it needs an alignment bad. It's pulling to the right. Look. It's hard to tell. Alright, the car handled pretty well. I can't really feel much of a difference yet, but it feels the same, to be honest. But yeah, this is it. This is not a tutorial video, just so you guys know. Let's get close up on the wheels. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Laters.